Welcome back. This is division 5, and in my last video I was showing you how to make yourself a 12-volt charger without a regulator, and today I'll be showing you how to make yourself a regulator. Now guys, I'm having my LM317. Connect the source of the LM317 to the positive side and my 1K resistor to the gate of the LM317, and the drain of the LM317 to the resistor, the dimmer on the gate of the LM317, and the jumping wire to the other side of the dimmer. And the drain is our positive output. Our negative output will be the other side of the dimmer, and this is our complete circuit with the regulator. Thank you guys for watching, and you are watching division 5. I hope you subscribe and like this video.